Hello everybody, Happy New Year. This video is going to be a quick overview since I don't really know what I'm doing here. So here's some weathering of a couple gondolas I bought earlier in the year. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, doing something crazy here. Just read on the YouTube how to weather and damage a gondola. I already did one side, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Go on, focus. But what I'm using is a butane lighter. I got it at this little convenience store down the road, and I just heated it up. And I'm only going for mild, I'm not going for wild. And I was able to put some nice dents in there. It's not perfect, but for a first time, good enough. And so let's try it again, this time on camera. So I'm using the end of my screwdriver here. And so just heating it up enough. What I've discovered with this thing is that when you heat it up, that it goes from solid to liquid very, very quickly. And so you have to be real careful about how much heat you apply to this thing. Because it'll go off the deep end. Just probably got almost right there. Yep, that was it. Perfect. And you can see our little bulge there. So I need to do this probably off camera for the next step. And you notice that I did take the wheels off, and I'm starting to weather those separately. Since I'm terrible at that, you guys can use your own methods until I decide I'm going to put it on camera. And then you guys can figure out how you're going to screw up a $25 gondola. So again, I'm only going for very mild denting and dinging, so I don't want to get this thing so hot that it warps. So just carefully apply heat just a little bit at a time. It's not so bad, so it looks realistic enough. Got some more denting in there. Yep, like I say, it goes from very hot to super soft, like at one point in temperature. So just, if you're careful, probably don't even need the screwdriver, but that's probably all I'm going to do. It's, like I say, it's very mild. I'm not looking for a totally beat up because I'm not that far along. But if you can see that, let me see. Next step is going to be our rust. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the old spray job where I'm going to aim here, and just to get a little bounce and dusting, I might do the bottom and tape it up, but to get the sides, just to give it a little bit of a color. It's different from the model. So now she is rusty.
So model railroading is a zero waste hobby. You know, all those things are screws that I just painted and scraps of plastic that I just threw in a cup that come in handy. And since I've laying these things out, obviously I put the things that look like screws at the very bottom and then start stacking the other plastics up so that they hide the screw looking components, and you ultimately end up with a full load that's looks like, in this case, scrap aluminum. I'm just adhering this using a ballast method, water, glue, alcohol, and window cleaner to break surface tension. I did make the load removable. That's next step on the learning curve. And once all this dries, you'll have a nice heavy weighted car. No doubt about that.